Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Check Blocked Users on Discord Mobile. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Discord app downloaded or installed on your mobile device. If not, you can also use a web browser and log into your account at discord.com. The link is in the description. Once you have the app installed, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Go to the Profile tab by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Profile tab, you will see a Settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to access the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, tap on the Account option. Scroll down to the end of the screen to find the Blocked Users option. Tap on it. On the next page, you will see a list of profiles of users who have been blocked by you. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on the Unblock button next to their profile. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.